Let's go to this link under Introduce Yourself, Countries, Nationalities, and Languages. And look at this table. In Gandhi, they talk about India. The nationality is Indian. That's when I talk about what your passport is. You have an Indian passport, or I can say he is Indian, meaning he is from India. The languages in India, there are many languages. There are two national languages, Hindi and English. They use English as a common language because there are so many different languages. In addition to Hindi, there are Bengali and Urdu and many, many different languages. And what I'm going to do as I talk about these is go back down and look at this link to a map of the world. See if I can make it a little bit bigger. Okay. And here is India. Okay, let's now talk about Great Britain, or the United Kingdom, or the UK for short. The person's passport or nationality is British. The language is English. So Great Britain is, here's England, and Wales is here, Scotland and Northern Ireland up here. And Southern Ireland is the Republic of Ireland. It's a different country. It became independent almost 100 years ago. The United States of America is the USA, and usually for the nationality we say American, even though the United States is only one country in the continent of North America. The language is English. Canada is to the north, and the nationality is Canadian, and the languages there are English and French. So here's the United States of America. There's Canada. The French-speaking part of Canada is over here. The country is Mexico. The nationality is Mexican. I say he's Mexican. The language is Spanish, and there are also some Indian languages. So here's Mexico. But then Spanish is also spoken in many other many other countries in all of Central and South America, except for Brazil. We'll talk about that in a minute. Okay. The country, Spain, is in Europe. And when I say someone is Spanish, I mean the person is from Spain. And of course that language is also Spanish. And there's the country. And this is something that people get confused about. Holland or the Netherlands is two names for the same very small country, which is, let's see. It's the number 1 right up here next to Germany. And the language there is called Dutch, and the nationality is called Dutch. So here's the nationality, here's the language, Dutch. However, Germany is of this language here, this country, and Germany is the country, the nationality is German, and the language is German. And people get confused because in other languages, Deutsch means German, but in English, Dutch refers to this country. German is this country. Then we have France. The people are French and they speak French. And there. Portugal. The people are Portuguese and they speak Portuguese. And that's a small country in Europe, kind of a little bit next to Spain right here. And the other country in the world where people speak Portuguese is Brazil, over here in South America. So the country is Brazil, the people are Brazilian, the language is Portuguese. And then we have China. The people are Chinese. And the language is Chinese, but really Chinese is a written language and includes a lot of different spoken languages, Mandarin, Cantonese, and others, and we call them dialects because of the common writing system. And in terms of parts of speech, these are nouns. These are the names of the countries and they are nouns. Here, the nationalities and the nationalities are adjectives. When I say he is Spanish or he's a Spanish person, these are adjectives. The languages actually are nouns. If I say English is a hard language to learn, it's a noun. So here, countries are nouns, these are adjectives, and these are nouns.